Have you ever wondered how to tap into the universe's abundance? Imagine the possibility of aligning your energy with that of the cosmos, attracting positivity and prosperity into your life. That's precisely what we're here to explore today. We're delving into the fascinating world of abundance and manifestation, a journey that allows us to connect deeply with the universe and its infinite resources. This isn't some arcane knowledge reserved for a select few. It's a process that anyone can master, and we'll break it down into 7 easy-to-follow steps. Each step is designed to guide you, to open up new paths of understanding, and to help you harness the power of the universe. Just picture it. A life where you're not just dreaming of abundance, but actually living it, from thoughts to reality, from dreams to life. So, are you ready to harness the universe's abundance and transform your life? The first step to manifesting abundance is setting clear intentions. But what does that mean exactly? Well, imagine you're on a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving without a destination in mind, would you? Of course not. You'd have a clear idea of where you're heading. The same applies when you're seeking to manifest abundance. You need to know what you want. Is it financial prosperity? A fulfilling relationship? A successful career? Whatever it is, you must define it clearly. Write it down, make it concrete. Clear intentions are like a compass, guiding your thoughts, actions, and energies towards your desired outcome. They give you focus, helping you to steer clear of distractions and stay on course. Know that the specificity of your intentions matters. The more precise, the better. It's not enough to say you want to be wealthy. How wealthy? What does wealth look like to you? Remember, the universe responds to clear, focused energy, so know what you want. Step 2 involves the powerful tool of visualization. Now, what does this mean? Simply put, it's about creating a mental image of what you want to manifest. Imagine it in vivid detail, like a movie playing in your mind. Why visualization, you ask? Well, it's because our minds are incredibly powerful. They can't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. So, when you visualize your abundance, your mind believes it's already a reality. This mental shift is crucial in attracting what you desire. To visualize effectively, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and imagine your life of abundance. See it, feel it, touch it. The more senses you involve, the more real it becomes for your mind. It's not just about seeing a stack of money or a fancy car. It's about feeling the joy, the security, and the freedom that comes with abundance. Visualize your abundance, and you are one step closer to making it a reality. Positive affirmations form the third step in this journey. Positive affirmations, in essence, are short, powerful statements that you tell yourself to reinforce a positive mindset. These affirmations are the seeds you plant in the garden of your subconscious mind, which grows into the reality of your life. When consistently nurtured with belief and repetition, they can help you attract abundance and prosperity. Let's look at some examples. You can affirm, "I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me," or "I am a magnet for success and good fortune." These affirmations are not merely words. They are your declarations to the universe, your ticket to manifesting abundance. Remember, the key to effective affirmations is to state them in the present tense, as if what you desire is already your reality. So you don't say, "I will be successful," but "I am successful." Speak abundance into existence with your affirmations. Step 4 is opening yourself to receive. You might wonder, why is this important? Well, consider this. You've set your intentions, visualized your goals, and affirmed them positively. But if you're not open to receiving, all your efforts could be in vain. It's like preparing a fertile field for a bountiful harvest, but keeping the gates locked, preventing the seeds from being sown. So how do you cultivate this openness? It's about fostering a mindset of acceptance and receptivity. Start by acknowledging that you are deserving of abundance. Erase any self-doubt or limiting beliefs that might hinder your receptivity. Embrace the belief that the universe is abundant and has enough for everyone, including you. Let go of the need to control how and when this abundance will manifest in your life. Instead, trust in the flow of the universe. Remember, it's not just about attracting abundance, it's about being ready to receive it when it comes. Open yourself and the universe will fill you with abundance. The 5th step is gratitude. Gratitude is the golden key to unlocking the abundance the universe has to offer. It's an essential ingredient in the recipe for manifestation. It's like a magnet attracting more of what you're thankful for into your life. But how do we practice gratitude effectively? It's simple. Start by acknowledging the good that you already have. Each morning as you rise, make a mental note of 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as the warmth of the sun on your face, or as grand as the love you share with your family. In the evening, before you sleep, reflect on your day and identify moments that brought you joy or satisfaction. By doing this, you're consciously shifting your focus to positivity, and in turn, you're inviting more positive experiences into your life. With gratitude, you acknowledge the abundance already present in your life. Step 6 involves taking action. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road. The universe may be infinite, but it can only do so much. It's up to you to meet it halfway. You've set clear intentions, visualized, affirmed your desires, opened yourself to receive, and expressed gratitude. Now, it's time to act. Taking action might seem daunting, but it's an essential part of manifesting abundance. It's about pushing your comfort zone, taking risks, and stepping into the unknown. You might be wondering, what kind of action should I take? Well, the answer is simple. Any action that aligns with your intentions and propels you towards your desired abundance. Remember, action isn't just about doing something. It's about doing the right thing at the right time. It's about being proactive, persistent, and patient. It's about transforming your thoughts into tangible results. After all, action is the bridge between your intentions and their manifestation. The final step is to trust the process. Imagine you've planted a seed. You've watered it, you've given it sunlight, you've done everything you can. Now, what's left? You wait and trust that nature will do its part. That's exactly what you're doing in this final step. You're trusting the universe to do its part in your journey towards abundance. This trust isn't about blind faith, it's about understanding that the universe is a complex, interconnected system and everything that happens is part of a larger pattern. It's about acknowledging that you've done your part and now it's time for the universe to do its. When you trust the process, you let go of any anxiety or doubt that might hinder your progress. You create a positive environment for your intentions to manifest into reality. Trust is the key to abundance. It's what allows you to fully open yourself to the infinite opportunities the universe has in store. Trust the process and the universe will deliver. So these are the 7 steps to manifesting abundance from the universe. What an incredible journey we've embarked on together, don't you think? Let's do a quick recap, shall we? First, we started with clear intentions. Remember, it's like setting the coordinates for your journey. Know exactly what you want, and the universe can better align to your desires. Then, we moved on to visualization. This is where your imagination comes into play. Picture your desires as though they are already a reality. It's like creating a movie in your mind, and you're the star. Up next was positive affirmations. This step is all about positivity. Speak your desires into existence. Use the power of your words to reinforce your intentions. The 4th step was to open yourself to receive. This is where receptivity comes into play. Be open and ready to accept the abundance that's on its way. Then we discussed the power of gratitude. It's about appreciating what you already have while anticipating what's yet to come. A thankful heart is a magnet for miracles. Remember, the penultimate step was to take action. This is the part where you bring your desires into physical existence. It's about aligning your actions with your intentions. And finally, trust the process. This last step is perhaps the most crucial. Have faith in the universe. Trust that it's working in your favor even if things don't seem like it at times. Each of these steps is a powerful tool in its own right. But when used together, they create a potent recipe for manifesting abundance from the universe. And the beauty of it all, anyone can use these steps. It doesn't matter where you're starting from or what your current circumstances are. These steps are universal, just like the abundance they help to manifest. Start today, and you could open a world of abundance. The universe is ready. Are you?